So this is a very beautiful and spacious living room area. So this is a very spacious kitchen, beautiful and spacious, the master bedroom of this flat. Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nakesha, and in today's video, I am going to give you the sample flat tour of Kasturi Eon Homes, which is located near MIDC Hinjewadi Phase 3, Hinjewadi, Pune, and is developed by Kasturi Housing. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which behind me is the entrance of the project that leads you to the sales office, and in front of the entrance is the MIDC Phase 3 main road that connects you to the Megapolis Circle. And just in front of the entrance, you get the Megapolis Circle metro station. Now, before I show you a beautiful sample flat, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform that has connected its home buyers directly with the developers, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, let me tell you about the project's overview with the help of Project's 3D model. Kasturi Eon Homes will be constructed on 22 acre of land parcel, which will be having 12 towers, in which you will be getting 3 basement plus ground plus 23 floors, which will be having 2 and 3 BHK premium residences. So, let us discuss the location and the connectivity of this project. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location, जहाँ पे entrance के सामने ही आपको मिल जाता है MIDC Phase 3 main road, and मेरे पीछे है Megapolis Circle. Now, this project's location is near MIDC Hinjewadi Phase 3, Hinjewadi, Pune. और इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है Megapolis Circle, which is 400 meters away, Tech Mahindra, which is 600 meters away, and Man Road, which is 1 kilometer away. This project has over 25 plus luxurious amenities such as gym, temperature controlled swimming pool, banquet hall, cinema, one landscape garden, kids play area, and many more. So, as you can see, I am standing at the entrance of a 2 BHK sample flat which has 836 square feet carpet area. So this is the entrance of your flat, where you get a video door phone and a digital door lock to your door for security purposes. And then this is your entrances lobby, where you can set up your decorative items and shoe rack. Now let us check out the living and the dining space. So this is a very beautiful and spacious living room area, where you get your couch setup space here, and then you also get your TV unit setup space here. You also get a very spacious balcony with it, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings, and is 2-side cover. Now let us check out the dining space. So this is a very spacious dining space where you can set up your dining table and enjoy your lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now let me show you the kitchen of this flat. So this is a very spacious kitchen where you get a 3-side granite platform with a sink attached to it. You also get a modular kitchen here, where you get the cabinets attached and a chimney attached in the flat, and you also get a water purifier attached here, and then you get a dry balcony attached to it, where you can set up your utilities or washing machine. And then this is where you get your fridge setup space. Now let us check out the first bedroom of this flat. But before I show you that, let me also mention you get a common washroom here, which has anti-skid tiles, shower glass partition, CP center fitting, and designer vitrified tiles. So this is your first bedroom of the flat, which is, you can see, very spacious, and you get a lot of walking space. And then you also get your bed setup space here, and you also get a floor to ceiling window at the corner with French windows attached to it. And you get your wardrobe setup space here. Now, before I show you the second bedroom, which is the master bedroom of this flat, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey provides you with sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schedules, and 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So, what are you waiting for? Register now for free and book your site visit today through Housey. Now everyone, let us check out the second bedroom, which is the master bedroom of this flat. So as you can see, the moment you enter the flat, you get a lot of walking space here, and you also get an attached master washroom just at the entrance, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, shower glass partition, and designer vitrified tiles. So this is your very beautiful and spacious second bedroom, which is the master bedroom of this flat. But this is where you get your bed setup space, and in this room also you get a corner floor to ceiling window with French windows attached to it. And you get your wardrobe setup space here. So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of Kasturi Eon Homes, which is located near MIDC, Hinjewadi Phase 3, Hinjewadi, Pune, and developed by Kasturi Housing. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.